Hey, what's up everybody? I finished my operation. I put a new tube here. The obstruction that was inside my extruder, I unclogged it, reassembled the whole extruder mechanism, and now I'm going to give it a test print. So I got my high-speed camera, or my GoPro here, set up for time lapse, so I don't have to bore you with this. So we'll see how it works out. Yep, it's all done, and it's not what you think it is, so let's see if it fits. Fuck. I broke it. Alright, I broke it and I epoxied it back together. So, I guess I designed this a little too thin at the bottom, but hey, let's see if it works. What's this for? I'll tell you right now. Come on, follow me. Now, years ago, I lost this. I have no idea what I did with it, but it's my, I'm tired of losing things down there. So, does it fit? Come on. Come on. Oh, shit. Okay. Well, you know what? It's a little too long, so I'll make part 2 and I'll make it shorter. Alright, the first one broke as soon as I took it off the printer, as you've seen earlier. The second one I made it a little bit too long, so it didn't close all the way. And the third one, yep, made it the right length. Let me compare with the other one. Okay, and this one works fine. So, come on, get in there. Now I don't want to work, right? There it goes. So, this one here now. Holds the water. Okay. So now, she holds some water. I just got to put a little washer in it. And the whole thing was to prevent things from falling down in there. So, there we go. It works. Kind of. But good enough. Okay.